How to not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus from AppHacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can not let people find you from your contacts on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, go to your Bitmoji. It's on the top left. And after you're there, you need to go to the gear icon on the top right. Now you're on your settings. Now, before I teach you guys what to do next, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's continue. Now, what you need to do is you need to search for contacts. So scroll down and under additional services, you'll find contacts. Now, for some, it might be under privacy by named contact syncing. So tap on that and there you will see an option that says remove synced contacts from Snapchat. So tap on that and confirm. So after you do so, you'll have just, remove people from your contacts on your Snapchat. So it's basically that simple, guys, and that is how you do this. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video too.